Roku remote not working? Don't panic. You can usually fix it in minutes by pairing it, resetting it, or even using your phone as a backup remote. Before you begin, you'll need to identify which type of Roku remote you have. If your remote has a microphone button or a magnifying glass button, it means you have a voice remote. If you don't see these buttons, it means you have a simple remote. To pair a Roku voice remote, look for the pairing button on the back of the remote or inside the battery compartment. Then, press and hold the pairing button for about 5 seconds, or until you see the status light start flashing. If your voice remote doesn't have a pairing button, press and hold the home and back buttons instead, until you see the status light start flashing. Finally, you should see an on-screen notification when your remote starts pairing. If your remote still doesn't work, replace the batteries or charge your remote before trying again. For simple remotes, all you need to do is point it directly at your Roku device. It should work immediately. Simple remotes use infrared light to connect, so if it still doesn't work, the signal might be blocked, or you might need to reset the remote. To reset your Roku voice or simple remote, unplug your Roku device from power and remove the batteries from your remote. Then, press any 2 buttons on your remote to drain any leftover power and wait 60 seconds before plugging your Roku device back in. Once you see the Roku home screen, insert the batteries into your remote and press and hold the pairing button until the status light starts flashing. If your remote doesn't have a pairing button, press and hold the home and back buttons instead. If your remote still isn't working, you can use the Roku app on your smartphone or tablet as a backup instead. All you need to do is download the free Roku app. There are links in the description below. Open the app and tap Devices at the bottom of the screen. Next, select your Roku device. If you don't see a Roku listed, make sure your phone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device. Once connected, you can continue to use the app's remote to control your TV, or you can also use the app to connect a physical remote that isn't pairing. To do this, tap the Home button in the app and go to Settings, Remotes and Devices, Add Device, Remote, and follow the on-screen instructions. This forces Roku to search for your remote, which often solves stubborn pairing issues. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.